Macrium Reflect is the backup software that aSa sells and supports for workstations and protects your computer by creating scheduled backups of your files and system data. If something goes wrong, such as a hard drive failure, ransomware attack, or accidental file deletion, your backups can help restore your information. Backups are stored on an external hard drive connected to your computer and run each night after work hours. Make sure this drive remains connected and powered on at the end of each day to ensure proper backups. A quick way to verify backups is to open File Explorer and browse to your backup drive. You should see backup files with recent dates. If new backup files haven't been created in several days, there may be an issue that should be investigated. For a more detailed check, open Macrium Reflect and review the backup logs. Locate the most recent backup job and confirm it completed successfully. Successful backups will typically display without errors and show a completion status. If you see failed backups, warnings, missing backup files, or haven't received a successful backup recently, please contact aSa IT as soon as possible so we can investigate and resolve the issue. Verifying your backups only takes a minute and helps ensure your business data is protected. If you have any questions, contact our IT support team for assistance.